name is Nurti Yuliatun from 9D. Now, I will practice procedure text. It is about guava juice. The purpose is how to make guava juice. Okay friends, to make it, we need materials guava, ice, sugar, milk, and water. And equipment, mixer, glass, and sponge. For the steps are: first, put guava into the mixer. Second, put sugar into the mixer. Next, put ice into the mixer.
Jadinya seperti ini.
Then, pour water into the mixer. After that, add milk into the mixer. Next, close mixer. And then turn on mixer. Wait 2 minutes. Next, turn off mixer. After that, pour guava juice into the glass. Finally, guava juice is ready to drink. Yummy! Okay friends, thank you very much.